Na mesanka breaking news bi say ya find Kotoko GF4 na find Kotoko krata no na that screen so no obekai I think December our Baba Sports Stadium Kotoko de Dreams FC bobo bi na ye pon ball no supporters no amfa referee no ho anche sa o man bo no de but according to the Ghana Football Association no it is a misconduct which amount to inappropriate behavior. So, inappropriate behavior, no, almost as against the ethics and the rules of Ghana Football Association. Inti, Oma fine Kotoko to 20,000 Ghana cedis. 20,000 Ghana cedis, no, about Ghana scarcity, no, 200 million. News never about say Kotoko supporter be on Facebook or say yentwia wantwia wa so betima ahye so wantwia wa so betima ahye because me kai na December, I think December 25th and I find a about say ye born no yeah we kai be di bronya mu no 2025 referee no me kai ni dia friend George Efa or the handles our game no motikitiki decision bia to be brutally honest and cut down well with Kotoko supporters into a poor game no our VIP animu ho no or be fruka na kono on any match officials ni na no kakra for many yes and on Jeff if one describing as inappropriate behavior therefore Kotoko should be fined 20,000 Ghana cedis and almost 18 who said a free and ne ekosi 14 days time no Kotoko NPS kana ade o mo de be Kotoko no enya asem to ede no mo de be moment back as Inja League ne bo Kotoko Ja League ne bo a Ghana League ne be go but we dey enya sa na me so but almost 14 days Kotoko should pay the money into supporters minimum supporters e tore bi a game no umudi tia edikwa se dem mrahye ensem we say 20,000 Ghana cedis enye ska ketwa I was Kotoko etwia apart from that no almost say omasa warning Kotoko of any type of misconduct say it be say see around her the number chire no anobe den according to them therefore Kotoko should abide by the rules and regulations. This is the news area aba meeting ho amount na we are me no ka say no me wo baby my background no kakra swami and I'm maybe 1 2 1 2 be easy. Maybe me call useful for be about me the updates, my brother.